In this video, you'll just be watching me prep my outdoor Christmas decor. Mainly these 2 trees here. I hope you guys can see the box. It's 2 trees. They both go on both sides of the door. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. If I remember how to do this, it should be simple. This set came from Family Dollar. If you're wondering, it was $25. Okay. This thing is still together. Where's the plug? Because they have lights in them. Nobody wants a skimpy tree, so please spread them out. Look full and happy. Personally, the back should be flat like this because this is going up against your house. It's just mainly the front that you want to shoot out like that. So I can turn it this way. Last year when I was putting these things up, a damn lizard was in here and it got into my house, y'all. I was scared for my life. I was scared for my life. Probably not a lizard sitting up in this thing right now. I just took most of my Christmas stuff out of the storage in my backyard. So I'm so happy to just go through it. I love Christmas. I'm obsessed. As you can see, today is what, November 10th? Today is November 10th. And I'm already, you know, putting this stuff outside. I wanted to be the first person on my street to have out the Christmas decor. I'm not even gonna lie. I didn't want my neighbors to beat me to it. I'm one of those. What's happening here? Which one is my... Okay. He's gotta go straight up. I hate spaces, but this tree is only so big. Can't ask for too much. I don't think there's no right or wrong way to like prep your tree, but I just don't have your tree looking like it came straight, like you just took it out of the box and threw it outside. I eat this. Like open it up some, let it breathe, you know? Big difference here. I'm saying, if only I could hide some more of these spaces. But again, I told y'all this is from Family Dollar. I can only do so much. I like it. Yeah, see, there's a bite there. It's dead, but it's in there. Like, oh God. I don't like this. I have to be careful. What if it's not dead? Now I'm scared. This is the risk you take. You have to put your stuff in the what's it called? In storage. Outside. Ah! It's dead, but ew. Let me open the door first. dead bugs. Or live bugs, hell. I don't want any bugs. And then with these trees having to go outside, that makes it, I'm like scared. That makes it harder because the bugs are going to want to get in it. This one came off? What's going on here? Oh, good Lord. Just wrap this. There's clearly a difference here. That's because I'm scared of this one now. One of these sides has to be the back. I'm not gonna do the most. I'm trying, I should say, not to do the most. They both look pretty good. That's fair. Right? You guys, y'all like? Okay, so we have the outside trees prepped and ready. And of course we have the wreath here. Ooh, that's gonna stay. What else is going outside? I have this little number. Oops. This will be outside. I think that's honestly it. Other than these two chairs I have to put together. So I have 2 patio chairs. Hope y'all can see me. So I have 2 patio chairs that's gonna go on the left side of my porch, and then I'm gonna buy a bench, and they're all from IKEA, a matching bench to go with it. On the 2 sides with the chairs, there's going to be, what is it called? A little table. The table is I'm gonna put that red house on it, the wreath of course going on the door, left and right Christmas trees. What else do we have for outside? I have the elf sign. This is from Five Below, it's $4. Price is right here on the back, $4. This house is under elf surveillance. This goes in my yard, of course, in the dirt. I wonder will I? Can I? That'll probably fall in like 5 seconds. Don't fall, okay? We're doing a video. What else is going outside? Oh, I have a lot of things going outside. Okay. I have a projector because I'm not putting up lights. I'm not made for that. You know, I just can't do it. I can't do it. A black angel, and all of these things are on sale. These 1, 2, and 3, and even 4. I got all of these on sale. These were out last year, but I got them the year before on sale after Christmas. This is my black blow-up angel. And then I have my Santa Stop Here sign. So yeah, Christmas in this house, we are set as far as outside. Oh, y'all can't even see that. Here we go. Sorry. Let me say that again. Great. So we have the black angel, African American angel. She blows up. And then I have a projector. It's going to put like snowflakes or something on the house. I don't even know. I just hope it's pretty. this, which is a little house, and it has a little light up lamp in there. And then I have the Santa Stop Here sign. The wreath, of course, the two outdoor trees, and then my elf sign, which I hope you guys can see. It says this house is under elf surveillance, and no, you cannot see it. So here it is. Just so y'all can see it. Cute! Cuteness is coming to my home. I'm just making sure that's all I have for outside because I'm so excited. Yep, that's it, everyone. I hope you all enjoy. Get your Christmas on. Merry Christmas.